Oh, wow, that spin was supposed to be better. But today, I just picked up the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. It's backwards, but saw this on Chromebook Unbox. I saw this at a bunch of other Chromebook type related channels. I needed a portable Chromebook, and so I decided to pick this puppy up. I got the 128 gigabyte model, 4 gigabytes of RAM, full HD display, but like literally, boom. This actual box is beautiful. A lot of Chromebook boxes are just straight, just cardboard boxes, nothing spectacular. But let's just get into it. Let's unbox this puppy. Don't mind the book binders, tech books, things right in the corner right there, but let's just unbox this puppy. Big old kitchen knife. Just look at this box. A lot of Chromebooks literally don't get this touch. A lot of Chromebooks come in just straight cardboard boxes, and I know I already said that, but I just want to reiterate that this is just a fantastic looking box of Chromebooks. Okay. Chromebook itself, ooh, super light. But let's see what's in the box. Boom. Okay, what's in here? Who actually even reads manuals? Come on out. Okay, what's in here? I'm guessing the back and the keyboard. Yep, the back and the keyboard. Okay, it's kind of like a just those sides, but I can't really describe it. It's not. It's kind of. I don't know. It just feels unique. Okay. Simple keyboard layout. Clicky. Cool. So that's on the side. Now what's in this? In a charger. Oh, okay. Just like a regular phone charger. Unspectacular. Dongle for headphone jack. And then just a regular USB-C charger. Simple. Now let's open the main piece of the vent. Chromebook itself. Okay. This is super small. I know it's like 10 inches, but this is just super small. Now, let me just add this to the back of this. It should add them by magnets. Okay. Feels good. Just pop it off. Ooh, those are super strong magnets. Okay. Now, this was $299. There's a cheaper version that's $279, but it has 64 gigabytes of memory. And basically, Best Buy only has the 128. And for $20 more, why would you double your storage? But let's look at it. Nothing on this side. Speakers on top. Oh, that's for the keyboard. And then, I guess volume up, volume down, power button, and USB-C. It's a pretty big camera. Pretty big camera bump. But okay. Let me just assemble the whole thing real quick and just see what it looks like. The light. Who doesn't love unboxing? Ooh, that was a super strong clicker. This is the whole thing. It's honestly kind of just as big as like a normal like notepad. Just like a notepad for school. but it's a tablet, so okay. Well, let's see how the kickstand works. Move all this stuff to the side. Let me just clean my desk off with the magic of YouTube. Boom. That's cleaned off. Let's pop the back. Ooh. I know it bends. It's supposed to bend at least. Does it not? I thought it does. Oh wait, I'm trying to bend the whole thing. There's a split. I'm trying to bend the whole thing and it's a split like right here. Alright. Okay. Let's see if this thing got any juice in it. That was pretty long, but okay. Look at the screen real quick. Minimal focus real quick. Not that big bezels. They're pretty small, especially for this price range. But I was trying to bend the whole back, but it splits right here. So that's my fault. But okay. Plop this in, and it's still booting, but I guess this is the unboxing of the Chromebook Duet. I'll probably do a review in like 2 weeks from now. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so I totally forgot. I signed in everything, and Chrome OS is actually pretty smooth transitions. Essentially, my old Chromebook, which I sold, and got this one instead. Basically, everything loaded up. Everything's the same. If you know what animates in the background, you know the vibes. But yeah, essentially it. Everything logged in, everything's seamless. All my apps on the old Chromebook are here. Everything works. Super nice. So I guess in like 2 weeks I'll probably do a review about this and see how well it works. But other than that, I'll catch you guys later.